Good morning, all of you. Welcome to my channel Botany Now. This is Jyotirmay Nanda. In the previous video, we have already discussed the overall morphological structures of the flowering plants. So, in this video, we'll discuss these structures one by one. First, we discuss the morphology of the root. On the basis of that, roots are of two types. That is, first is the true root, second is the false root. And this false root is also known as adventitious root. So, को point रू root रा development होची तार origin ताको base करी root को दीटा type रा डिवाइड कराई फास्ट होची ट्रू रूट सेकेंड होची फॉल्स रूट को आमे एडवेंटिशियस रूट बोली कहि परिबा सो यार कैरेक्टर कोन रहिला ना रूट अराइजेस फ्रॉम द रेडिकल ट्रू रूट कोन द रूट व्हिच अराइजेस फ्रॉम द रेडिकल रो जेतेबेले डायरेक्टली डेवलप होची रूट ताको आमे ट्रू रूट कहबा. And what is false root or adventitious root? The root arises from any part other than radical. Radical को छाड़ी की जदि आउ को पार्ट रो रूट रो डेवलपमेंट होची ताकू आमे adventitious root बोली कहि परिबा. Radical को छाड़ी की माने it may be stem or it may be leaf. लीफ रू रूट रो डेवलपमेंट हो पारे स्टेम रू रूट रो डेवलपमेंट हो पारे सो इट अराइजेस फ्रॉम एनी पार्ट अदर देन रेडिकल. देन इट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ डाइकोटिलेडन्स और डाइकोट प्लांट्स. ट्रू रूट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ डाइकोट्स एंड फॉल्स रूट और एडवेंटिशियस रूट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ मोनोकोट प्लांट. डाइकोट प्लांट रे ट्रू रूट देखा जाए मोनोकोट प्लांट रे एडवेंटिशियस रूट देखा जाए. डाई मीन्स टू कट मीन्स कटिलिडन को आमे बुझौचे सो आको आमे दुई बीजपत्री कहिले मोनोकोट को आमे एक बीजपत्री बोली कहंती. एग्जांपल ऑफ डाइकोट प्लांट्स आर ग्वाभा मैंगो पपाया रेडिश कैरट रोज एंड द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ monocote plants are wheat, onion, grass, bamboo, garlic and sugarcane. So what is the basic difference? It is the origin from where these roots arise. Basic difference is the origin. Origin को base करके root टा दीटा type रा divide कराई. The point at which the two cotyledons are attached is called dash. Options are first is plumule, then cotyledonary node, then hypocotyle, then epicotyle. Dear students, please give the correct answer after watching this video. So let's we see the structure of a radicle. Where do we found the radicle? If we find a dicot seed and remove the seed coat, आमे जदि गोटे डाइकोट सीड को नबा आउ कोन करिबा ना त सीड कोट को आमे रिमूव कर दोचे we see the two cotyledons. So these are the two cotyledons. In the middle we found this narrow structure. I am drawing it very big but it is a tiny structure. This structure is called the embryonal axis. Embryonal axis. In this embryonal axis, the apex portion is called plumule and the lowermost portion is called radicle. From this radicle, root is developed. Then the point at which the two cotyledons are attached is called the cotyledonary node. जो point दीटा कटलिडन को अटैच करछि से पॉइंट को आमे कटलिडनरी नोड बोली कहिबा. देन द स्पेस और द टिश्यू बिटवीन द प्लूम्यूल एंड द कटलिडनरी नोड इज कॉल्ड द एपिकोटाइल एंड द टिश्यू बिटवीन द कटलिडनरी नोड एंड द रेडिकल इज कॉल्ड hypocotyl. this plumule develops shoot system or the stem, and this radicle develops the root system. So from these radicle the true roots arise. The right answer of this question is the cotyledonary node, that is, the point at which the two cotyledons are attached is called cotyledonary node. We take some examples of true root. When we see the structures like this and this, we have seen this type of roots also. This part is present below the ground. Below the ground. Ground level तले आमे एही structure देखिचे. So it is conical structure, and here the base is narrow and it is a swollen like structure. It is called radish and it is called carrot. These two structures are developed or are arise from the radicle directly. एटा directly radicle रू develop होता है. Directly developed from radicle. But in case of adventitious root, what happens here? This is the soil surface, and if we take the wheat plant, this is the plant or the stem part. Below the soil there is presence of the radicle from which true roots arise. But this radicle degenerates. This radicle degenerates. And from this part or the below the stem, fine hair-like structure develops. These fine hair-like structure are called fibrous root. These fibrous roots are developed from the base of the stem. The radicle develop है नहीं root, एटा stem रो base रू develop करची. So according to adventitious root arises from any part other than radicle को छाड़ी जदि आउ कोनोसी part रू हमरो root रो development होची ताकू आमे adventitious root बोली कहिबा. The examples are wheat, onions, grass, bamboo, garlic, sugarcane, etc. In case of true root, the main root which is arises from the radicle is long and thick. So this structure, these are long and thick, and it is developed directly from the radicle. We call this type of root as the primary root. So this is the primary root, and in case of carrot this is the primary root. And from these primary root branches arise which is smaller than these primary roots, and these branches are known as the secondary roots. These are the secondary roots. From these secondary roots also arises tertiary roots. So these are the tertiary roots. In case of true root, the primary root arises from the radicle, and from this primary root secondary and tertiary roots arise. These type of root are called the tap root. So here the true root is also known as tap root. In case of adventitious root, we can also take one more example. The example is Ficus bengalensis, which is called or which is known as banyan tree, boragacha. In case of banyan tree, the branches is very thick, so the trunk is also big and the branches are also thick. To support these branches, this is the banyan tree and the trunk and the branches is very thick. To support these branches, there are the roots arises from the branches. So these are the roots arises from the branches. These roots hang down and ultimately attach to the ground surface. सो यही रूट गुड़ाक कौन होता ना ब्रांचेस रू बाहर थांती आउ सॉइल सरफेस सहित जाकि अटैच होती. दीज रूट्स आर नोन एज प्रॉप रूट्स. यही प्रकार रूट को आम प्रॉप रूट्स बोली कहि परिबा. एंड इट प्रोवाइड मेकानिकल सपोर्ट और एक्स्ट्रा सपोर्ट टू द प्लांट्स. सो इट प्रोवाइड मेकानिकल सपोर्ट. This is also the example of adventitious root or the false root. Then comes to the characteristics of the root. What are the main characteristics of the root? It constitutes the descending part of the plant axis. Root constitute the descending part. Descending part माने अध क्रम रे रहिछि. माने this is the soil surface and here is the root. Root is present in the base, then it gradually grows into the soil surface. Soil surface रा भितर को ग्रो करके जाइछि, but तार base soil surface ऊपर रहिछि. So it constitutes the descending part of the plant axis. Then the root develops from the radicle of the embryo. We already discussed radicle is present in the embryonal axis and from this radicle root develops. Then it is positively geotropic. माने एटा soil surface रो तळु को ग्रो करी जाइछि, soil surface आडु को ग्रो करी भितर को जाइछि, तेणु करी याको आमे कहले positively geotropic. Then it is colorless due to absence of chlorophyll. जेहेतु क्लोरोफिल एब्सेंट रही तेणुकरी रूट इज कलरलेस. देन इट possesses root hairs which is unicellular. Then the apex of root is covered by root cap. एटा रूट टा तळु को ग्रो करी गला, जेहेतु एटा सॉइल सरफेस जेहेतु हार्ड अच्छी तो रूट रो अग्रभाग डैमेज हो जिबार चांसेस रही, तेणुकरी एटा कवर होइछि गोटे कवरिंग द्वारा जहाकू आमे रूट कैप बोली कहि थांती. So these are the characteristics of the root. Then comes to functions of the root. What are the functions? It fixes the plant firmly with the soil. Then it absorbs water and a mineral nutrient. Please take a screenshot of this slide. So in this video we discussed the types of root, the characteristic and its function. Then in the next video we'll go for the modifications and the regions of the root. For further video please like and subscribe to my channel.